Right, when we do this DKIM setup, I just wanted to know that, you know, a couple of minutes later, I've gone back now and that MX record's now set up. So before it takes, you know, 5 or 10 minutes, but it does set up. So now I'm going to do proceed to configure DKIM for better email delivery, it says. Right, there's a video down here on how to do it. What you're going to do, I don't do it that often, but I'm going to talk you through it as best I can. You're going to go up here, Happy Me Sports, that's the one. You're going to add a selector, right? And you're going to type in front of this Zoho. Let me just make sure that that is in this thing. We're going to go here. So you click on that or edit, right? Yeah, you're going to click. Yes, they say not able. There's no audio on this setup. You're going to go to the domain you want, add selector, and then type in Zoho and save. Right, now that information, you're going to go to your GoDaddy account, open up your DNS settings. I'm not sure it says manage DNS like on that video anymore. I don't on mine, does it? And you're going to add a text line. So you're going to add txt. You're going to put at. No, she's going to show you what to put. You're not going to put at. You're going to put that top line. So where it says .domain key .zillium.com, you're going to put Zoho. Now she's going to go back. I presume it's a woman. I don't know why. I don't know why I presume it. And you're going to copy this .domain key .zillium.org, whatever it says, right? So you're going to copy ./domain key, and then you're going to copy the text, and then paste that in there, right? Be interested if he changes that to 6. Yeah, she does. 600, right? So it'll update quicker. So zomain.domainkey.com. Then you can check that MX record against it, and you should be sorted. Holy smokes! So it seems like a lot, but it is literally the last thing you need to do. So then we're going to go test it in mxtoolbox.com. Right, so let's do that. So let me go back to the beginning if it lets me. Come on. Right. Proceed to configure DKIM edit. Right, I know it's the only one I've got. If you've got more than one, you do it. I'm going to type in Zoho. Right, I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to grab this domain key and go to my domain manager. Back to that DNS setting. Add a text. Add in that, but now in front of it, it's there. Look, Zoho dot and then that domain key. So just make sure it says Zoho dot _ domain key, right? Sorry, it's a bit confusing. I don't do this lots. You can imagine I don't have to set this up every day. Copy the text information, this value, paste it in there. Change the TTL to 600. And save. Right, it's going to take 5-6 minutes to work. Verified successfully, so it's happy, right? So now when I go back to setup, and I'm into an email migration thing. Now we may or may not do that, but I will. If you've got an email address that you want to import, if you're using like a Gmail account, like Adwick Swimming Club here, they might want to get rid of this adwick@gmail.com and use team at Adwick, adwickmembers.com. If you want to do that, I'll maybe add a section later in a more advanced level of how to import an email settings. So we'll come to that next.